Dear friends, today let us see how to pay BSNL bill online. Okay, so I have received this message from BSNL. So, dear customer, your landline bill for so and so is due on has been generated on 3rd October. Pay by date is 21 October. So click on to below link to pay and view details. Click it in this link. Okay, so this is the bill details for the BSNL. Okay. So there is an option called click to pay. Click it. Okay, amount payable is 931. So I need to select payment gateway. Step 1, just go to internet banking. I am using internet banking. I will be using ICICI. Then in step 2, select this, then enter the above code. Click continue for payment. So now enter the user ID and password for the net banking. Now enter the password. So once you entered your user ID with the concerned bank, internet banking bank, and given the password, click login. Now enter the remarks. Now enter the one-time password that has been sent to your registered mobile number. So I am verifying the OTP. Yes. Now enter the OTP. Now OTP has been received from the mobile and it has been entered here. Now click pay. Now your payment is successful. Processing is going on. Thanks for paying the bill. Okay. So click this. Okay, success. Payment of rupees 931 for BSNL bill has been successful. Okay. Now if you want, you can take and save it. So this is the procedure how to pay BSNL bill online. Okay, thank you friends. Hope you understood how to pay BSNL bill online. Only thing is that once you receive the message from the BSNL, there will be a link available. Click that link in order to pay using internet banking. Only condition is you should have internet banking facility with you. You should have the user ID and password of internet banking. Then that is done. Okay, thank you friends. Hope you understood how to pay BSNL bill online. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel without fail in order to receive new videos. Right? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you friends.